Are you also having an e-bike retailer business? Then this video is definitely for you. So hello everyone, welcome to Pabbly Chatflow. In this video, we are going to learn how to create a WhatsApp chatbot for your e-bike retailer business. For example, you have an e-bike retailer business in where your users can explore e-bike models, pricing list, and having a facility to directly contact with agent. Responding each and every user manually is a time-consuming, also a very confusing task. To solve this type of problems, we are going to create a WhatsApp chatbot. It will create it with the help of Pabbly Chatflow, so that whenever your users send a message to your WhatsApp business account, then your bot will respond to them automatically. To get more details about this, let me take you to my screen. Welcome to my screen. Before starting the video of how to create a WhatsApp chatbot for your e-bike retailer business, let me give you a quick review about how this bot will work and how this bot will respond to your users instantly. By sending hi message in my WhatsApp business account of e-bike retailer, hi, or instead of any message you can send. Here I sent it a message. See, the bot will respond to me automatically. Hey there, welcome to Volt Ride e-bikes, your one stop for eco-friendly high-performance electric bikes. How can we assist you today? While providing me 3 different options, that is e-bike models, price list, and talk to agent. If I'll click on e-bike models, then you can see it will provide me some e-bikes that are available in this e-bike retailer business. That is Volt Ride City X, including their range and price. Also one button, that is order now. If I'll click on this, then you can see it will ask me for my full name. So here I am providing them my full name. Here I provide it. Then it will ask me for my address. So I am giving them one test address. Here I provide it. Then you can see it will respond to me like this. Order booking confirmed. Thank you Mehruz Khan. We have received your order and delivery details for your selected e-bike. Also writing the address that I have given them here. And one message, that is our team will connect with you shortly to finalize the payment details and confirm dispatch. In the meantime, if you have any questions or need help, feel free to talk to our agent anytime. We are here to help. While providing me one button, that is talk to agent. If I'll click on this, then you can see it will provide me the contact details of this e-bike retailer business. Now if I'll click on price list, then you can see it will provide me the price list of the bikes that are available in this e-bike retailer business. So if you want to create this type of WhatsApp automated chatbot for your e-bike retailer business, then you have to follow step-by-step direction that I am giving you in this video. So let's get started. At first, you have to click on a new tab and search pabbly.com/chatflow. Here you are landed on the official page of Pabbly Chatflow. Pabbly Chatflow is an all-in-one WhatsApp automation tool which helps us to automate our WhatsApp messages and responses 24/7 by creating WhatsApp chatbot for your different type of businesses. Here on the right hand side you can see 2 options are there. The one is sign in and the another is sign up option. If you are a new user, then you can click on sign up option. If you are an existing user, then you can click in sign in option. As I am an existing user, so I am clicking in the sign in option. Here you can see these are the all apps that Pabbly provide to their users. As we are creating a WhatsApp chatbot, so we will go in this Pabbly Chatflow box by clicking on this Access Now button. Here you are navigate on the dashboard of Pabbly Chatflow, where you can see your credits allotted, your credits consumed, your credits remaining, and the WhatsApp number added. With the help of this button, you can add multiple WhatsApp number to your Pabbly Chatflow account. By clicking on this, you can see it will provide you 2 options, that is WhatsApp Connect and Manual Token Connect. WhatsApp Connect might involve scanning a QR code or entering the phone number and verification code. The second one is the Manual Token Connect. When you click on this, then you can see it will ask you for the Meta Access token that you can generate from your Facebook Meta account for developer. Here you can also add multiple folders, and in this home section you can see the status of the WhatsApp number that are added into your Pabbly Chatflow account. If you want a detailed video of how to add WhatsApp number into your Pabbly Chatflow account, then we have already created a separate video for it. I'll provide the link of the video in the description box. The second feature is the inbox, in where you can store all the messages of your customer and respond to them by here also. You don't have to open your WhatsApp account again and again. The third one is the contact, in which you can list off your WhatsApp contacts who interacted with your bot, and you can see contact details, create segments, tag user, etc. The fourth one is the team queue, in where you can assign incoming chats to different team members automatically. It will also help you to have a customer support team. The fifth one is the template. It is just like a pre-approved WhatsApp template. These are required for initiating a conversation if the customer has not messaged you first. The sixth one is the broadcast. It is used for sending bulk messages to many users at once, and it is also used for promotion, announcement and updates also. The seventh one is the flow, in where you can create multiple WhatsApp chatbot with the help of Flow Builder. The eighth one is the AI assistant, in where you can train AI assistant with a knowledge base to answer common questions. The ninth one is the activity log, in where you can see all the events and the action you have performed within last 7 days. The 10th one is the settings, and the 11th one is the get help. If you want to know more details about these features, then we have already created a separate video for it. I'll provide the link of the video in the description box. I am creating WhatsApp chatbot, so I'll go in the flow option. So this is the flow builder page, where you can see your total number of flows, your active flows and your inactive flows. As we are creating a new WhatsApp chatbot, so I am clicking on this plus add flow button. So this is the starting point of your flow, but before this, first you have to give the name to your flow, that what you are creating. As we are creating a WhatsApp chatbot for our e-bike retailer business, so here I am providing a name. Here I provided. Now I'll give you a quick review about these two options, messages and action. Under the messages you can see different buttons are there, as well as under the action you can see different buttons are there. We will use these buttons in the creation of our flow. Here on the right hand side you can see two options are there. The one is active inactive button and the another is save button. With the help of this button your flow will be updated. Now let's get started. There are the three ways to start your flow. The one is keywords, the second is regex, and the third is choose template. Keywords are the manually entered words that I expect that my user sends to me. The second one is the regex. Regex stands for regular expression. It can extract useful data from inputs such as email, phone number, order number, etc. You can also enable this toggle if you want to activate some specific feature or behavior into your chatbot. The third one is the choose template, in where you can create multiple templates and choose with the help of this button and upload it from here. Basically, templates are used for those type of conversation that were started by your side. I am creating this WhatsApp chatbot with the help of regex. So here I am entering the regex. Here I write it. With the help of this regex, your bot will respond to the any message of your client that they were sent to your WhatsApp business account of e-bike retailer business. Now I want to write one welcome message for them. For that I am taking one media button. It will provide me one message box. I'll drag this box here, select media type as image and upload one image related to my e-bike retailer business by clicking on this and upload it from my gallery. Here you can see the image is uploaded successfully. Now I want to write one welcome message for them. For that I am clicking on this plus add content button. Choose content type as text plus button. It will provide me one enter message box where I can write my welcome message. You can also write caption in this enter caption box. Here I write it. At the end of this message you can see I'll ask my client that how can we assist you today. So for answering this I am providing them some quick buttons by clicking on this plus add button. It will provide me one enter text box. Here I am providing them three buttons, that is e-bike models, price list and talk to agent. After that I am connecting the starting point of my flow to the welcome message I wrote for my clients by clicking on this circle, drag a line and connect this line to this circle. Here my flow starting point is connected to my message. Now if my clients wants to explore the e-bike models that are available in my e-bike retailer business, then they will click on this button, so my bot will respond to them. For that, I am clicking on this circle, drag a line, choose content type as text plus button. It will provide me one enter message box where I can write my message as explore our e-bike models. Here's our latest lineup. So here I am adding some e-bikes that are available in my e-bike retailer business by clicking on this plus add content button. Choose content type as media button. It will provide me one box where I can select the media type as image and upload one image of first bike that are available in my e-bike retailer business. Here you can see the images uploaded successfully. Now in this enter caption box, I am writing some details about this bike including their price and range. Here I write it, that is Walt Pride City X. You can see I'll write this in asterisk symbol because with the help of this symbol, this message will go to the WhatsApp account of my clients in the bold format. Here I am also providing them one button, that is order now. Here I write it. Now again I am adding one more e-bike. For that I am clicking on this plus add content button, choose content type as media button. The steps would be the same. Here you can see I uploaded the another bike. Also provide the details of this bike in this enter caption box and one button, that is order now. I uploaded here two bikes as an example. You can add multiple bikes and make your chatbot according to your preference. Now if my clients wants to order this bike from my e-bike retailer business, then they will click on this order now button. So my bot will respond to them. For that I am clicking on this action option, take button as ask a question. It will provide me one question box. I'll drag this box here and writing a question as, to proceed with your order, may I have your full name please? So for that in the select contact custom field, I'll select as full name. I already created this field before. If you want to know how to create a contact custom field into your Pabbly Chatflow account, then we have created a separate video for it. I'll provide the link of the video in the description box. The format I'll select as text. Number of attempt I'll give as 1, and if you want to write any validation message for your clients, then you can write in this box. Now I am connecting this circle which are present in front of order now to this message and this circle also, because whenever my clients will click any of these order now button, so at first my bot will ask them about their name, then the address. For that I am again taking one ask question button, drag this question box here and writing a question as thank you with dollar symbol. Here you can see I'll use this dollar symbol before full name because with the help of this symbol, my bot will respond to my clients by their name. As different clients have different names, so for sending their manual name, we will use this symbol. Here I also write that please share your address. For that in the select contact custom field, I'll select as address. The format I'll select as text. Number of attempt I'll give as 1 and I am not writing any validation message, so I am leaving this blank. After that, I am connecting this circle to this message. Here it is connected. Now, whenever my clients will provide me their full name as well as their address, then at last, my bot will send them a booking confirmation message. For that, I am clicking on this circle, drag a line, choose content type as text plus button. It will provide me one enter message box where I can write my response. See, here I write it. In this also, I am giving them one button, that is talk to agent. Here I provided. Now the next one is the price list. If my clients wants to know about the pricing list of the bikes that are available in my e-bike retailer business, then they will click on this button. So my bot will respond to them. For that, I'm clicking on this circle, drag a line, choose content type as text plus button. It will provide me one enter message box where I can write the pricing details of the e-bikes. Here I write it. Now the next one is the talk to agent. If my clients want the contact details of my e-bike retailer business, then they will click on this button. So my bot will respond to them. For that, I'm clicking on this circle, drag a line, choose content type as text plus button. It will provide me one enter message box where I can write the contact details of my e-bike retailer business. Here I write it. Now I am also connecting this circle which are present in front of talk to agent to this message because the response would be the same. So basically this is the final look of our flow for creating a WhatsApp chatbot for your e-bike retailer business. After the completion of your flow, you have to click on this button, save button, so that your flow will be updated. This bot will automatically respond to your clients like this. It will provide them all the necessary information you want to share such as e-bike models, pricing list and contact details. This bot is created without requiring any coding or programming skills. It is only possible with the help of Pabbly Chatflow. So thank you for watching this video. Not only this, you can create multiple types of WhatsApp chatbot with the help of Pabbly Chatflow. If you have any doubt, then you can email us at support@pabbly.com. If you have any queries, then you can text us at forum.pabbly.com. If you want to know the price details about Pabbly Chatflow, then you can visit www.pabbly.com/chatflow. So go and create your Pabbly Chatflow account and start creating your first WhatsApp chatbot for free.